Damaged roads, no water, and unfinished promises. Words from residents of Three Hills, St. Mary, as they're demanding action from the government for unfinished work. Anthony Atkinson has the details.
Disgruntled residents of Liberty Estate, Three Hills Phase 2 St. Mary took to the streets Tuesday, calling on the government to complete unfinished infrastructure in their housing scheme, which was promised over 5 years ago.
Since 2020, the Prime Minister announced the funding of about $1 billion for the upgrade of the project, which we are very grateful of. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister. Thank you, Mr. Montague. But the project is moving so slow, and you have manual opening in the middle of the road where there's no streets. If you look on the light post here, no street lights. Manual in the middle of the road, no cover. Overflow of sewer line. The place does not being maintained. We don't feel like we are being cared for.
The community says the issues include raw sewage, poor roads, unreliable water supply, and a lack of street lights.
Anything happen up here, we can't run for help one another because of the condition of the road. Mr. Montague, we are called upon, we are called upon Mr. Andrew Holness, we need light, road and water. The people them in this scheme, we are dead.
The residents say they're also awaiting land titles.
There are some of our residents, both on the residential lot and farm lots, that have not yet received titles, and it's over 15 years. And some of them are getting very frustrated with the whole situation. So we are begging, please, we have to have the whole matter addressed to make sure that people can know that they own what they are paying for.
Landmark Developers Limited established the Liberty Estate Development, a joint venture partnership with the government, in 1998. In January this year, 400,000 gallons of portable water storage tanks were installed in the area, with the government noting that the upgrade forms part of ongoing efforts to improve water reliability and address long-standing infrastructure challenges within the community. Anthony Atkinson, TVJ News.
Today is World Pediatric Surgery Day. According to the Jamaica Association of Pediatric Surgeons, there is ongoing concern over numerous pediatric conditions seen daily. President Dr. Noel McLennan explained that while some conditions can be prevented, others cannot.
There are several conditions that we are seeing now, including cancers, as I've just spoken about. We have seen some social issues such as child abuse, and that has been growing and has become a major concern for us. We are seeing many operations that we have to do surrounding the abdomen, and we have seen children coming in with surface surgery problems such as hernias and so on. But one of the most important one is cancers, and another one, child abuse. And we have seen incidents also of burns, children who have been left at home and unsupervised and who have gotten themselves into problems, house got on fire and so on.
Another member of the association noted that the association is working to educate parents, many of whom publicly seek funds for their children's surgeries.
We have been doing quite a lot. There are quite a number of surgeries that are actually offered here in Jamaica and at our institutions, whether it be University Hospital, Bustamante Hospital for Children, or Cornwall Regional, that have pediatric surgeons located there. And as I think Dr. McLennan mentioned, it's really about education. So once it is a parent comes in, we can educate them as to what we offer. I know some may complain about the time wait for surgeries, but what we're concentrating on in terms of our cancers, there is no time waiting for that. And we do offer surgery here in Jamaica.
It's time for a break. Stay with us. More stories when we return. Welcome back to the Midday News. It's now time for the Business Minute.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says the government will be drawing down some $2 billion or one-third of the $6 billion, which is currently available in the Tourism Pension Fund in order to establish a health maintenance organization for the workers in the industry. He says that this organization will create a health insurance scheme for every worker in the industry. Mr. Bartlett added that this is part of a broader strategy to bolster a level of social protection through the combination of retirement benefits with the availability of available health care. Further afield, Amazon and the U.S. Postal Service have reportedly reached a tentative delivery deal. There will be a 20% reduction in the number of packages the post office delivers for Amazon. An earlier proposal had put the reduction at 2/3. Under the 20% cut, the Postal Service would still deliver more than 1 billion packages annually for Amazon, the largest customer for USPS. And that's it for the Business Minute. I am Carrie Simpson.
Thank you, Carrie. It's now time for the top regional and international stories.
Antigua and Barbuda Prime Minister Gaston Brown has invited election observers from the Caribbean Secretariat, Organization of American States, and the Commonwealth Secretariat ahead of Antigua and Barbuda's upcoming general election. He is expected to announce the election date at a rally and is seeking a 4th term. The race is mainly between the Antigua and Barbuda Labour Party and the United Progressive Party, while the Democratic National Alliance will not participate. In the last election on January 18, 2023, ABLP won 9 of 17 seats. Further afield, the U.S. carried out new strikes on Iran's Karg Island on Tuesday. According to a U.S. official, the mission targeted military sites and no oil facilities were hit. The island, located in the Strait of Hormuz, is Iran's key oil export hub. It handles about 90% of Iran's crude exports. This marks the second round of U.S. strikes on Karg Island in recent weeks. Previous targets included missile storage, naval mine sites, and other military facilities. And those are the top regional and international stories. I'm Prince Moore.
We head to a quick break. When we come back, we'll have your midday sports report.